Hi, I'm back again with another pack of what? I'm back again with another parcel that I've from my online shopping. So let's open it and get my scissors out. Oh man, I thought it was another one. Turns out this one's the circle lenses that I bought. Oh, that's so adorable. Okay, so these are circle lenses that I bought with a friend, so we ordered together. These are from ifairycon, and the packaging is so cute, actually. Look, so pretty. The little unicorns, and like all the leaves and stuff, really matches the background of today. Yeah. We bought two for they come with these cases, and I didn't think they would actually come with cases because it wasn't listed that they would come with them. But hey, here they are. I'm gonna open it. Hopefully this is mine, because we bought different ones. Oh, I can't open it. Hopefully this is mine. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, these are mine. Look at the packaging. That's so cute. It has unicorns on it as well. So pretty. This is iFairy, and it has all the unicorns on it. Oh, gorgeous. And behind is the information, seal of approval, I guess, and like some information as well. So cute. So cute. Let's see. Bought a gold one. It's supposed to look kind of, gold, yellowish. Hopefully it comes out yellow because I'm not very sure how opaque the colors are. But yeah, we will see how it goes. Aww. This is cute too, with the colors. So we'll pick that. You know what? I'm just gonna open this one since she's gonna be watching this anyway. Open it for her. Same packaging, I guess. Same packaging, different colored lids. Oh, different bottles as well. But the sticker is the same. You can see the color. This house is a blue with a black rim. That's really cute. It looks really like light. It looks like it looks really natural. You see the differences between these two? The sticker, the label is the same, but the bottles are different sizes and different colors, and you can see the contacts are very different as well. Yeah! So excited about these. Okay, now that I've got this, I have to get contact lens solution because I actually don't wear contact lenses as much as I should be, but I haven't done it in like plenty of years, so I'm gonna keep it as it is. So cute! I will update you with a new video when we actually do test it. Yay! Bye! Thank you for joining me in my unboxing. I am expecting another parcel, so this one was, it was not this one that I was expecting for today, but yeah, so there will be another one coming soon. That's it. Bye bye.